What are clitoral suction stimulators? With thousands of nerve endings dedicated purely to pleasure, the clitoris is uniquely sensitive, and clitoral suction stimulators are designed to make the most of it. These innovative toys use a soft silicone head to surround the clitoris, delivering contactless stimulation that can range from teasingly light to deeply intense. They're well suited to anyone who enjoys precise, focused sensations, whether you prefer a slow build or something more powerful. Using changes in air pressure, suction stimulators combine gentle suction with rhythmic pulses to create sensations often compared to oral sex. Simply add a little water-based lube, hold the toy in place, and let the waves build. From discreet, travel-friendly designs to options with added G-spot or love egg features, there's a suction stimulator to suit every body and preference. If you're curious to try a different style of clitoral stimulation, a suction stimulator could be your next favourite discovery.